Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your MSI board uses UEFI and supports Secure Boot. This is crucial because legacy mode won't work. Once done, backup important files and prepare a Windows or Linux recovery USB so you can restore boot settings if needed. Reboot and press Delete, or F11 on some models, to enter the BIOS immediately. Navigate promptly to the Boot or Security tab. You'll need to switch modes before enabling Secure Boot, so don't linger on irrelevant menus. Inside BIOS, set boot mode to UEFI only and disable CSM because Secure Boot requires pure UEFI. Next, open the Secure Boot submenu. Choose Standard for default Microsoft keys or Custom if you plan to enroll your own. If keys are missing, load the factory default keys or import the platform key PK, then install the key exchange key, KEK, and authorized signing keys. Make sure to save the changes before exiting. This sequence ensures the firmware can validate signed bootloaders and kernels. Save your BIOS changes and reboot. You should see the operating system start normally with Secure Boot enforcing signatures. If the system fails to boot, don't panic. Return to BIOS and temporarily disable Secure Boot or restore the backup keys using your recovery USB to regain access. If Secure Boot options are absent or behave unexpectedly, update the motherboard firmware from MSI first, because buggy firmware can prevent key enrollment. Finally, document any custom keys you add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.